Hello there, welcome to the unboxing video of the cheapest scanner I saw on the internet for 16,000 naira on Konga. So let's get into it. Here's the box. So here you have the scanner itself, very portable and sleek. Here you have the USB cable and you have CD installation disc, and then you have the manual. Here you have the alignment page. So if you've been following for a while, you know why I was going through the whole I need to scan a lot of pictures, blah 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 blah, and I was looking for a sheet width scanner. There are different types of scanners, but I was looking for a particular type of scanner that allows you to pass through from the beginning on to the end, not your flat bed, not your or your sheet width scanner. So I could just pass the picture through, and then this was the cheapest I saw. The price difference was so much. I was like, is this actually real? 16k. When others are selling me like 130 something and the rest. Like, okay, let's risk it, let's go for it, and then you are following me on the risky journey. So here's the pouch, here's the pouch of the scanner. So we've taken the risk, and let's hope it pans out. This is the end of part 1. Follow me for part 2. Does it actually work? Will it work? See you there.